If you want healthier cooking options with less oil while maintaining an affordable price point, then get ready because in this video, we'll be showing you the top 5 budget air fryers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So here are the top 5 best budget air fryers. The 5th product on this list is the Ninja AF101. Meet the Ninja AF101, your gateway to guilt-free cooking and culinary versatility in one sleek package. With up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, you can enjoy your favorite foods without compromising on taste or your well-being. For starters, this air fryer boasts a broad temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, providing you with the flexibility to gently remove moisture from foods or rapidly cook and crisp them using the power of convection heat. From low and slow to high heat searing, you can master a wide range of dishes with ease. You'll be happy to know that this air fryer can feed your family and friends effortlessly thanks to the 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket and crisper plate. This spacious design accommodates up to 2 pounds of French fries or whatever culinary creations you have in mind. Now you can prepare larger meals without the hassle. What's more, it's not just an air fryer. It's a culinary powerhouse with 4 versatile cooking programs. You can air fry to crispy perfection, roast your favorite meats and vegetables, reheat leftovers to their former glory, and dehydrate your way to homemade chip-like snacks. So whether you're cooking, reheating, or experimenting with dehydration, the Ninja AF101 has you covered. Its pros are: its combination of multiple fan speeds and temperature ranges ensures thorough and uniform frying and dehydration. It features dishwasher-safe parts, including the basket and crisper plate, and it comes with a recipe booklet that provides a wide array of meal ideas and cooking tips to kickstart your air frying journey. However, the timer defaults to 20 minutes, which can be annoying when you need to preheat the unit for most applications. The Ninja AF101 is your ticket to healthier, more convenient cooking that doesn't skimp on flavor or versatility. Discover the joys of guilt-free indulgence and culinary creativity today. Up next in 4th place is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. If you're ready for the ultimate kitchen multi-tool that will transform your cooking experience, then meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. With 6-in-1 functionality, even crisp technology, and one-touch smart programs, this countertop wonder is designed to make your culinary dreams a reality. This air fryer is your culinary Swiss Army knife, offering 6 versatile cooking functions. You can air fry for guilt-free frying, broil for perfect browning, roast to achieve succulent flavors, dehydrate for homemade snacks, bake your favorite treats, and reheat meals with ease. The possibilities are endless, all within a single appliance. But that's not all. Say hello to Even Crisp technology, a culinary breakthrough that ensures your dishes come out golden and crispy on the outside, while remaining tender on the inside. With advanced top-down airflow, your culinary creations will never fall short of perfection. On top of that, this air fryer can help you prepare restaurant-quality dishes at home with one-touch smart programs that cater to your specific needs. From mouth-watering wings to perfectly roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, and delectable cinnamon buns, the Vortex Plus takes the guesswork out of cooking, so you can focus on savoring the flavors. Its pros are: it requires little to no preheating, it features a non-stick dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, and its compact design and stainless steel accents make it an appealing addition to any kitchen countertop. However, it offers fewer customizable programs than other models. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is the answer to quick, delicious meals, side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more. Whether you're preparing a meal for yourself or hosting a small gathering, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen, delivering on taste and convenience. Still haven't found a budget air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the COSORI Lite Smart Air Fryer. Ready for your next family gathering? Don't worry, COSORI Lite Smart Air Fryer has got you covered. It's your new kitchen sidekick for easy, healthy cooking. This smart kitchen gadget is not only ETL listed, but also packed with 120-volt, 1500 watts of cooking power, delivering a temperature range of 170 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With this air fryer, cooking becomes a breeze. It heats up rapidly, reaching temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in no time, allowing you to prepare mouth-watering, crispy dishes within minutes. Forget about the never-ending wait. This air fryer is all about making your culinary adventures hassle-free. Here's where it becomes more interesting. This air fryer boasts 5 one-touch food presets, including handy preheat and keep warm functions. It's designed for hassle-free cooking, so you can relish your meals without any stress or complications. But what sets it apart is its even heating technology, which automatically detects and adjusts heat throughout the cooking. This means your dishes are cooked evenly, resulting in consistently crispy and delicious results. So what are you waiting for? Elevate your culinary skills with convenience, healthier cooking, and a vast array of flavors at your fingertips. Say hello to the COSORI Lite Smart Air Fryer and experience the future of cooking today. Its pros are: it uses up to 97% less oil than traditional deep fryers while still savoring that same perfect crispiness. It comes with over 150 original recipes available on the VSync app. And it features the automatic shake reminder, so you'll always know when it's time to shake or flip your dishes halfway through cooking. However, its small cooking area is easy to overcrowd. The COSORI Lite Smart Air Fryer is the perfect kitchen companion for busy individuals and families who want to enjoy quick, healthier cooking with the convenience of smart features and a wide temperature range. Its compact design and versatile capabilities make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a simple and efficient way to prepare delicious meals. The second product on this list is the Fabuletta Smart Air Fryer. If you need a ticket to enjoy delicious, healthy meals in a fraction of the time, look no further than the Fabuletta Smart Air Fryer. With its 1550-watt high power and 360-degree rapid air circulation technology, this air fryer cooks food 30% faster than other models, letting you savor a steak in just 6 minutes and crispy bacon in 8 minutes, all while reducing your oil usage by up to 85%. What makes this product stand out is that it features even crisp technology, ensuring that every dish you prepare comes out golden, crispy, and tender. Thermo IQ technology maintains temperature fluctuations within 5 degrees Fahrenheit, preventing undercooked or burnt food, and guaranteeing perfect meals that your entire family will love. That's not all. With a large advanced digital screen and 9 preset modes, including fries, chicken, steak, dessert, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydrating, and preheat, this air fryer meets all your culinary needs. Plus, you can even customize your cooking time from 1 minute to 60 minutes, and the temperature from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for your unique air-fried recipes. Finally, there's a shake reminder which ensures even cooking and crispy textures by notifying you when it's time to shake your food. So, say goodbye to lengthy meal preparations and welcome the convenience of air frying into your life today. Its pros are: it has a removable non-stick basket made from food-grade materials which are dishwasher-safe, PFOA-free, and BPA-free. It boasts non-slip feet for safety and stability during cooking, and it has a compact design that easily fits on your countertop. However, it may have a steeper learning curve for individuals who are new to air frying. Simplify your cooking routine, save time, and enjoy healthier meals with the Fabuletta Smart Air Fryer. It's the perfect addition to your kitchen, promising delicious and efficient cooking every day. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the best budget air fryer is the Philips 3000 series. Meet the culinary game changer, the Philips 3000 series air fryer. It's your secret weapon for achieving that mouth-watering perfection in every dish while embracing a healthier approach. Say farewell to drenching your meals in excessive oil and say hello to culinary creations that are not only incredibly crispy on the outside, but delightfully tender on the inside. And here's the kicker: they come with up to 90% less fat. But that's not all. This appliance is designed for exceptional performance. Its unique and patented starfish design ensures the fastest and most even results possible. With constant circulating heat that exposes all food to the cooking process, you'll achieve a delectably crispy outcome with every dish you prepare. But what really sets it apart from the rest is that it has 13 cooking functions. Yes, the Philips 3000 series air fryer is not limited to frying alone. It's a versatile kitchen companion. What's more, it features a digital touchscreen that offers 7 convenient presets, simplifying the choice of the perfect temperature for your specific dishes. And if your meal is ready before you are, you have the keep warm function, which ensures it stays at its prime until you're ready to indulge. Overall, the Philips 3000 series air fryer is your culinary ally for creating healthier, tastier meals. Its pros are: it excels at grilling, roasting, baking, and even reheating. It boasts a 1.8-pound capacity, enabling you to prepare up to 4 portions of food in one go. It features the Philips Kitchen app, which comes with hundreds of delectable recipes and an array of features to bolster your cooking skills. And its included 1-year warranty helps maintain peace of mind. However, it might be a bit noisy during operation, which can be a minor inconvenience whether you're new to air frying or a seasoned pro. The Philips 3000 series offers versatile and convenient cooking options that cater to your needs. Elevate your cooking game and discover a world of culinary possibilities today. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.